Hello and welcome to this new CSML quick tutorial. I'm Bastien and today we are going to see together how to make HTTP requests to APIs. So first off, we are going to look at the documentation and look at the HTTP requests section in the documentation. So if we go to language and then we go down at the bottom to HTTP, over here you can see the documentation for the HTTP requests, and everything you need should be there. So let's go through it. And for the API, we are going to make our own API, and we are going to use the service called NACAPI, which basically allows me to make an API on the fly. And here is what is in my API. So it's basically an object. So here are the datas. So it's a list of attendees for an event. Okay, so I got 2 attendees here, one over here, one over there, Bastien and François. And first we are going to see how we can get those attendees from the chatbot. So let's go to the interface, and here we are going to start saying, here are the attendees. Okay. So first we need to make an HTTP request. So we'll go do res equal HTTP. We are going to get the URL. So we go to attendees. We are going to get this URL to get all the attendees and not just the first one. And we are going to paste this. Then we want to say this is a get request, and we want to send it. That could have been on one single line. I just make it on 3 lines just to be clear. And then I want to display the results, so I'm going to go for each attendee in res, and I'm going to say I want to say attendee dot name from attendee dot company. Okay, and now if I build and run, I get Bastien from Clevy and François from Clevy. Okay, both being over here. Okay, so Bastien and François, both from company Clevy. What happens if I want to add a new attendee? So I'm just going to paste some code just for this, just to be quicker. I'm going to explain it. So I'm going to go to new attendee. Then I'm going to create a new step. And in this new step, I'm going to create a new attendee object. And I'm going to ask the name of the attendee. I'm going to ask what's his job or her job, the company, and I'm just going to set the price as free. Okay, now I just need to send it to the database, and I'm going to say do new attendee equal, and again HTTP. In this case, it's going to be the same URL. Okay, and this time it's a post verb. I'm going to send my attendee in the body, and I'm going to send it. Okay, and then once I've done that, I can go back to start, and if I build and run, my name is Eric. I come from Corp. Actually, that's my job. a company. If we go back to the database, we can see that the user has been added over here. So you can add users from the chatbots with these sort of codes, with the HTTP requests, getting and obviously sending users to an API. And you can send anything else you want to a database, or you can do other stuff like building images, for instance, by sending parameters. If you want to know more about HTTP requests in CSML, you can go to the documentation again, and you can see that we have other methods like query or like sets that allows you to send headers with your HTTP requests. So you can do stuff like authentication. We are getting toward the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.